Hi, coming to you today from my bathroom. It's actually the family bathroom, so let's just hope none of the kids need to get in here because that could get very interesting. Anyways, what I want to do today is take this very dirty buff brush. Now, full disclosure, I keep a couple of these in circulation. I have them in my car, in my gym bag, on my vanity. So I can't actually remember what I used, what products I was using with this, but this is just a good kind of generic representation for what I think a lot of your buff brushes look like after, call it, a week of use or so. And also, I just wanted to make this video. Let me just pause and tell you, I am 100% on your side. Like, look, you got stuff going on. You got, whether it's family stuff or career stuff or school stuff, you are busy. And frankly, if anyone tells you that you need to wash your makeup brush every single day to make time for that, look, I don't trust those types of people because they don't get it. You're too busy to wash your brush every day, but you do deserve the benefits of a clean, sanitized, hygienic tool. If you're going to be using it for skincare or makeup, we want to make sure that your skin stays fresh. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate how you can use your complete clean kit to get this dirty brush freshened up so that it's safe to use in your skin and ready to go. So let's just get started. Let's just imagine this is post-use, right? I just finished using this brush on my skin. Just imagine I just finished, right? And I did my makeup, done. Now I've got this dirty brush. What am I going to do? It's Tuesday. I'm gonna say, you know what, I've got to get to work, I've got like a PTA meeting, whatever it is. I don't have time to wash this, but I want it to be clean for tomorrow when it's time to use it again, or later tonight. I'm gonna take my 1-2 Fresh spray. Again, this is 2 ounces. It comes right in the complete clean kit. We call it the complete clean kit because I wanted to give you everything you would need to keep your brush sparkling clean, right? Like, I don't want you to have to hunt around searching the internet for stuff, right? I don't want you to have to go through that because, again, no one has time for that. So take my brush, I spray it. You can also spray right on this Yubi scrub towel, right? This 2-sided towel. This is specifically designed for both daily and weekly cleansing. Got a little hang tag there. This side is for your daily clean, right? Spray your 1-2 Fresh, and then you take and you just give a little scrub, right? And like I said, oh, look at that. Doesn't that just give you a good feeling? Doesn't that just feel like, ugh, look how much stuff is coming out of this brush. Oh my God, look at that, look. All of that I would have been rubbing against my skin, against my pretty face, over and over and over. You don't want to sully up your pretty face, right? Because you deserve better. And like I said, or maybe I didn't say, I think I said it in my head, but in my head, like I said, the Yubi buff brush is totally durable. This is your workhorse. This is not some, delicate tool that you only use once in a while and keep it on a shelf. Although, it's cute. You might want to put it on a shelf. So, but the point is, you can scrub it, right? You can scrub. You see how hard I'm scrubbing to get that excess product, those, whatever skin residue or oils. I'm going to just scrub. And actually, you know what? This might be the end of the video because voila, look how clean that is. Look how clean that is, right? And we've got a little bit of clumping of the bristles just because the product is still wet in there. But give this literally 3 minutes and it'll be dry. Here's a tip though. 3 minutes, this is going to be dry, but it's still going to look like this. And you're going to freak out and go, oh no, did I ruin it? But the answer is no, you didn't. What I want you to do after it dries is just run your thumb over it and all those bristles will fluff up again and you'll be ready to go. This is, look, I don't know how many times or how many different ways I can say this, but this is for you. This is finally a product that gets how busy you are, how little time you have for excess pomp and circumstance. This is a simple way to clean your tool so that it's fresh and ready to go. Okay, so now I'll take this dirty towel and I'm gonna flip it, right? I'm just gonna flip it like this. And I'm gonna put this right here for a second because I wanna do this. Now, we've used it. Now it is Sunday afternoon, and I'm trying to prepare myself for my work week. I have a busy week going on, and I want everything to be just clean and fresh and lovely this week. So I'm gonna start with this brush. Now, one amazing thing is, now you too can be the type of chick that washes her makeup brushes every week. And you know why? Because now you're only washing one. You're not washing a foundation brush. You're not washing a primer brush, a concealer brush, a highlight fan brush. You're not washing a brush for your blush. You're not washing your bronze. You know what I'm talking about? Like, you get it. This thing will do literally everything. So now you're down to one brush, which means you have no excuses. It's Sunday afternoon. It's time to wash your one brush. What do? You go back to your complete clean kit and you pop out this Yubi Deep Clean. Let's see what's in this Yubi Deep Clean. Let's see what's in it. That's directions, that's steps. What's in it? Sunflower oil, organic coconut oil, water, organic vegetable glycerin, rosemary extract, and that's it. It literally says that, right? And that's it. This is a beautiful formula. It's gentle on the skin. And it's gentle, not because we need to be gentle on the brush, although we love our brush, but she doesn't need you to be gentle. She's durable, but it's gentle because you're going to be rubbing your hand in that brush to kind of massage the soap in. You're going to be getting in there. And you know, we're in a day and age where if you can make a product organic and make it still effective, then why not, right? It's safe. You could actually use the same soap to wash your hands, to wash your face. Let's not go overboard. Today we're focusing on this brush. All right, so it's Sunday. I've got maybe some Christmas music playing in the background, some holiday tunes. The kids are wondering what's for dinner. I'm wondering too because I really don't feel like cooking anything. And I'm just massaging the soap in here, right? And you can see, you can kind of scrape off the top and look how much like brown, like, let's get that foam off there, right? You see how brown and like, right, you can already see the products coming out. So I'm gonna turn the water on and let's just see what happens. Let's see if we can rinse the soap out and get this dingy, dirty brush back to new. Oh my gosh, you guys, check her out. She's like a brand spanking new brush again, right? See how easy that is? Now here's the key, right? Rinse, 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 right? Get all that soap out of there. Turn the water off, okay. Now, here's the key. Bring it in, right? Bring it in, everybody bring it in. Here's the key. The key is this step right here. Watch this. Zoop. Right? Make sure you do that. That's step one. And now you're gonna take this towel, right? Again, this is our dirty scrub towel, but it's okay because we folded it over. And I'm gonna take my Yubi and I'm just gonna squeeze and get a little bit of excess water out of there. And let's just take, before we let this dry, let's just take a look at this brush. Do you remember where it was before? Do you remember how like crusty, grimy, how used and abused our poor brush was? Look at her now. Look, she is brand new. Don't you love it? And this is real time, folks, right before your very eyes. We just cleaned our Yubi and now life is so good again. Now she'll be ready to rock and roll. You're gonna leave her to dry, bristle side down, right? Because gravity is your friend. Let this Yubi Clean towel suck up some of the excess water so that she gets good and dry. And you give this, give it a few hours and she'll be ready to rock and roll again. So let's say you do this, call it, I don't know, let's say you do it right before bed on Sunday night. In my case, right before bed usually means around midnight, but that's okay. You do it midnight, you do it 1 a.m. The Sunday night, Monday morning, and by the time it's time for you to get up and start your day again, she's ready to go. Isn't that amazing? And again, now you have kept your beautiful brush clean, which means it's hygienic, which means your skin will stay fresher, which means your brush will last longer, which means you are a superhero, and I love it. That is the power of our Yubi Complete Clean Kit. Again, that is the 1-2 Fresh Spray for daily cleaning and our Yubi Deep Clean for weekly cleansing, and you are ready to go. Hope this was helpful. Love you guys. Bye.